divine is.
Hello everybody, EricZeBaws here, and I'm going to be doing a Scratch tutorial. This is new, and if you guys enjoy, please leave a like. So pretty much I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a pretty much wandering character. So let's just call this wandering tutorial. If you don't know what I mean by wandering, I mean pretty much a character that just moves around randomly but doesn't teleport all over the place. So I'm just going to make a quick circle. Oops. Okay, so you're going to want your circle to just walk all over the place. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to first put down the when start clicked block. And then you're going to do forever. So this means that it will do this no matter what, like pretty much forever. I don't mean to use the same words, but I don't know how else to explain it. So you're going to do glide for 1 second. Actually, you can make this whatever you want. So let's just make it 3 seconds for now, and I'll show you what it does when you change it. So you're going to see where the X coordinate goes from the farthest to the least. So 240 is the farthest to the right, and negative 240 is the farthest to the left. So for the X coordinate, you're going to make it negative 240 to 240. And then you're going to put that here in this bubble next to the X. And then for the Y, you can see that up here, 180 is the max, and negative 180 is the max. Oh yeah, you can see that over here. So you're going to want to make the Y negative 180 to 180. Alright, so now once we click the start button, it's just going to wander around randomly. And if we make it 1 second, it'll move around more sporadically. And if we made it 1,000 seconds, it wouldn't even move. If we made it 0.001 seconds, it'd just teleport all over the place. And if we made it like 7 seconds, it'll move slower, because sometimes it'll move fast and sometimes it'll move slow. That's because the farther it has to go and the time it has to go there, it'll go slower if it has really short way to go, pretty much. And if it has a long way to go, it'll go faster. This is so it can reach the place in the time limit. And then it'll switch and go somewhere else. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this part of the tutorial, and I'll be back with another part. Alright, we're back with the second part of the tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a cool color effect. And you can combine this with the other part of the tutorial to make a cool, like, dot effect. And I'll show you that also. So what you're going to want to do is, let me just get out of here. So let's create a new project. We're going to call it Color Tutorial. You can call this whatever you want, doesn't really matter. And we're just going to make the stage backdrop black. And then we're going to do when start clicked. Then that means whenever the game pretty much starts, you're going to do forever. Where is it? Oh yeah, looks. Oops, we're in the backdrop. Okay, remove this. Just throw this in here. Okay, forever. Change color effect by 1. And now, when you press start, it'll fluctuate between these colors. Just set the size back. Yeah, so that's pretty much how you do it. That was pretty simple. And now I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on how to make a full kind of effect with this. Okay, now this is the last part of the tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make a colored balls effect. Okay, so first you're going to make your sprite just a circle. It can be any color. I'm just going to make it white for now. And then you're probably going to want your backdrop to be black. I think that'll make it look better, but it's your choice. So you're going to want to do, when start clicked, forever. Oh, I'm in the backdrop again. Oops. Okay. And start clicked forever. And you're going to make change color effect by 1. This is something you learned in the last part. And then you're going to do another when start clicked. You're going to go to control and then do create clone of myself. And you're going to make this repeat however many dots you want. So I'll just say 10. So this will make a clone, but they don't do anything. It doesn't even show anything. So you're going to do when I start as a clone, glide 1 second to, and you're going to go operators, negative 240 to 240. If you were watching the first part, you're going to remember these variables. And you're going to do negative 180 to 180. And then put that there. You're going to put this in a forever loop. So now, it's going to make a bunch of randomly colored clones. And after this, so once you've done this, it doesn't even matter. And they're just random clones going around. That's cool and all, but oh yeah, oops. You also need to make it change color effect by 1. Okay, when I start as a clone. Sorry about that part, I forgot about that. Color effect by 1. Okay, now, oh, sorry about that. Now they're gonna fluctuate colors. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger because it's kind of hard to see because they're so small. So I'm just gonna change the actual sprite. Instead of making, you can make a script for that if you want, in case you made it the same size as I did. Okay, now you can see this better. You can see the colors changing. But also, one more thing, I'm going to change this to like blue because they're just becoming kind of like white a little bit. Yeah, now it looks much better. Alright, so now that we're done with those finishing touches, the first thing we're going to do is after this, we're going to copy this glide script, which is not working for me right now. So you can, on your computer, you could just copy it. But for some reason, my right click isn't working on Scratch. But, so I'm just going to redo it. And if you want to, you can redo it. Okay, and then random 180. Okay, now after this, it will, after you mix the clones, it'll move itself. So it's not just one that's standing in the middle. Why is that one standing still? Okay, never mind. Alright. I'm wondering why it's just one that stands there. Oh, oops, I know why. Because I meant do it once. Okay, now that's fixed. Yeah, so I think that's about all. I'm gonna make it glide for 3 seconds so it goes a little bit slower. But sorry about these Skype calls if you can see them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this, and I'll see you next time.